To choose the best e-bike conversion kits on the market, we employed a comprehensive research methodology. We evaluated dozens of kits before choosing the top contenders. Although we haven't personally tested these products, our selection is informed by consumer testimonials, expert reviews, discussions on relevant online forums, and our institutional knowledge of the automotive industry. We visited Cycling News and e-bike Choices to get an overview of the industry from cycling experts. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top Bike 5 Best Electric Conversion Kit. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Ebicooling Waterproof e-bike Conversion Kit. The Ebicooling Waterproof e-bike Conversion Kit is a great value, practical piece of kit. Since this is a front-wheel hub motor, it's the easiest type to fit, and if you get a flat, it's easier to fix than a rear hub motor. The kit comes with an aluminum double-walled rim with a hub motor already attached, so all you need to do is fit a tire. The 1,200 watt motor weighs 12.9 pounds, making it one of the heavier models on this list. Although it's a high-watt motor with a peak power output of 1,450 watts. Number 4. Bafang 48V500W Bike Conversion Kit. If you like the idea of converting your bike to electric assist, but you can't, or don't want to, deal with the added complexity of a mid-drive setup, then the Bafang Front Hub Kit makes things much easier. Like the mid-drive system listed above, the Front Hub Kit covers everything you need and gives you tons of choice. Start by choosing your wheel size and display preference, then add the battery size and shape you'd like. With all the options available, finding the kit to fit your bike is easy. Number 3. Bafang BBS03 1000W Bike Conversion Kit. If performance is your top priority, then the Bafang BBS HD 1000W could be for you. This 1000 watt mid-crank motor pumps out 160 Nm of torque, which is more than any other model on this list and enough to tackle 40-degree hill angles. Depending on rider weight and conditions, it should propel you to over 30 miles per hour with ease, with some riders achieving more than 40 miles per hour. Since the motor is so powerful, it's often only suitable for off-road and private property use. Number 2. Ebicooling Waterproof e-bike Conversion Kit. The Ebicooling Waterproof e-bike Conversion Kit is a great value, practical piece of kit. Since this is a front-wheel hub motor, it's the easiest type to fit, and if you get a flat, it's easier to fix than a rear hub motor. The kit comes with an aluminum double-walled rim with a hub motor already attached, so all you need to do is fit a tire. The 1,200 watt motor weighs 12.9 pounds, making it one of the heavier models on this list. Although it's a high-watt motor with a peak power output of 1,450 watts. Number 1. AW1000W Electric Bicycle Motor Kit. If you're clear on buying a rear-wheel e-bike kit, then this model from AW brand is worth your money. This kit comes with everything you need to give that extra power to your bike. It features a 1000W motor, which is powered by a 48V battery. With this, you can steer uphill without losing the grip. It comes with a 26x 1.75-inch wheel along with a reinforced 32mm rim and 40mm tire. It has a maximum speed of 45 km per hour, meaning you can always reach your destination on time.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.